Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious ground beef mini tacos. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 cup of refried beans, street tacos corn tortillas, 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 of a small yellow onion finely chopped, 2 jalapeños, oil, lettuce, finely shredded medium cheddar cheese, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and salt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by making our salsa. So in our blender we're going to add our 2 jalapeños, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, get it all in there. And we're going to blend that with 3/4 of a cup of water. So blend it all together until we have a smooth salsa. Alright, so once we have that, we are ready to put it together. Alright, so now we're going to grab a small saucepan. We're going to set it on medium heat. And we're going to transfer our salsa. And to our blender, we're going to add an additional 1/4 cup of water. Make sure you get all the leftover. And to that, we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So now we're just going to mix it all together and wait for this to come to a simmer. Alright, so once our salsa comes to a simmer, we're going to turn it off. Try it for salt and see if it needs any and just adjust it to your liking. So now our salsa is ready, so we're going to set it to the side and start to work on our filling. Alright guys, so now to make our filling, we're going to grab a small pan. We're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of oil. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to add our onion. And we're just going to cook our onion for about 2 minutes. Alright guys, after 2 minutes, we're going to add our ground beef. And we're going to begin to break it down. Alright, so to our meat, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and salt. So now we're just going to cook our meat. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our meat should have browned. So now remove any excess oil that your meat lets out. And at this point, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. So now just mix it together with your meat. Alright, so once we have incorporated our tomato paste with our meat, now we're going to add our refried beans. Now just mix it. And let me tell you guys that it already smells delicious. Alright, so now just try your meat for salt and see if it needs any adjustment. For me, this is perfect. So our filling is ready. So now we are ready to make our delicious tacos. Alright guys, so now I'm going to grab my little tortillas and I'm going to place them in the microwave for 1 minute. Now, of course, if you don't have the little tortillas, you can always use the big ones. But now I'm just going to stick them in the microwave so like that they can be nice and soft and they don't break when we fold them. Alright guys, so while we wait for tortillas, we're going to prepare our pan where we're going to be frying our tacos. So grab your pan, set it on medium heat, and add enough oil just to cover the bottom of the tortilla. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for that to heat up and wait for the tortillas. Alright guys, so now we're going to get our tortillas out of the microwave, and I place about 12 to 15 tortillas at a time, remember, for 1 minute. Okay, so they should be nice and soft, so like that when you fold them, they don't break. So get them out. Let's see. And make sure that when you pull them out, you begin to break them, otherwise they're gonna get cold and then they begin to stick to each other, and it just makes it harder for when you roll them. So, okay. So grab your little tortilla, add about half a tablespoon of meat or your filling, just cover it in half and place it in your oil. So now we're just going to fry them until they turn into a beautiful golden color. And just make sure that as soon as you see a little fallout from our meat, you remove it, because otherwise that's going to cause it to pop. Alright, so after 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to flip them over and let the other side fry as well. And you want to keep the heat on medium, so like that the oil doesn't get very hot where you're just going to burn your tortilla and your tacos are not going to be crunchy. And of course, if you want to make just the shell by itself and then add the meat, I mean, you can do that. It's all preference. Alright, so just cook the other side for 3 to 4 minutes or until it's all nice and golden and crunchy. And then we're just going to repeat that process. Alright guys, so once your taquitos are nice and golden from both sides, we're going to remove them from the oil. Just make sure you drain the excess oil. We're going to place them somewhere where it's just going to drain the oil like that. And see, this is why I like to cook the meat inside, because the oil gets like that extra flavor from the meat. And let me tell you, that it's just delicious. Alright, so as soon as you remove your taquitos from the oil, open them a little bit and start placing the cheese. So like that, it gives it time to melt. Alright, so now we're gonna go back and just add our lettuce. These are so cute. Alrighty, so once you have your little taquitos, now we are ready to enjoy them, and just repeat the process until you're done making all of your little taquitos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. They smell delicious, they look so cute, look at this. I'm ready. Seriously, the best. They're so good, you guys. So perfect. And even, you know, if you have little ones, they're just going to enjoy them. And like I said, you can make them in a big tortilla. They're just so delicious. The salsa, the filling, everything, it's perfect. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious ground beef mini tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you ever create this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.